welcome to everyone to integration class. We will discuss few problems based on the previous class format, Form 12. So I guess you are familiar with different variety of problems. We'll see few more problems in this class so that we'll get a pitch on that kind of form. So first problem we'll see question number 1, integration of dx divided by 3x square plus 6x plus 12. So I'll take under root. Okay, it is under root. I'll take root 3 outside. 1 by root 3 integration of dx divided by root of x square plus this will be 6 by 3, that will be 2x, 12 by 3 plus 4. Now I'll consider only this. That means x square plus 2x plus 4. I can write as x square plus 2 into x into 1 plus 1 square. My b is 1, I'll adding 1 square. So rest how much required to fulfill 4? Here requirement is 4. 1 is there plus 3. So my first part I can write as x plus 1 whole square plus root 3 whole square. Am I right? Now this become integration of 1 by root 3 outside. Okay, dx divided by x plus 1 whole square plus root 3 whole square. Substitute t as x plus 1. So my integration become 1 by root 3 integration of dt divided by t square plus root 3 whole square, 1 by root 3 under root. So this is plus. So it looks like a square plus x square. Okay, so log of modulus of t plus t square plus root 3 or 3 you can plus, or simply you could say log of t is x plus 1, we substituted it. So x plus 1 plus root of x plus 1 whole square plus 3. You can simplify further. You can write this form plus 3 you can write. I mean to say 1 by root 3 log of modulus of x plus 1 plus root of, this will be x square plus 2x, x square 2x plus 1 plus 3, that means plus 4 plus. So hope if you are good at this place, then rest of the things will follow the previous problems, steps of previous problem. That will be very easy. Question number 2 we'll see. Integration of dx divided by 8 plus under root 8 plus 3x minus x square. Okay, so what I can write, integration of dx divided by root of 8, so minus x square, this I'll take minus x square, minus outside start bracket. Okay, this is minus 3x, am I right? Minus minus become plus 3x. Okay, now I'll take this, I'll simplify. Look at this, 8 minus x square minus 3x. What I can write is, what I can do is, say 8 into 8 minus x square minus 2 into x, but my requirement is 3. What I supposed to do is 3 by 2. b is 3 by 2. 2 to get cancelled, it is 3x. Am I right? So my b is 3 by 2 whole square. Bracket close. So 9 by 4. So I added 9 by 4. But is it time I added 9 by 4? No, when you open bracket this is minus. So I have to add 9 by 4. 9 by 4. Now it is pakka clear. 8 minus this part I can write as x minus 3 by 2 whole square plus 9 by 4. 8 plus 9 by 4. 9 by 4 minus x minus 3 by 2 whole square. Very clear, be careful in this place. Now I'll simplify this part. This is 8 4 is 32, 32 plus 9, that is 41 minus x minus 3 by 2 whole square. 41 I can write under root 41 square minus x minus 3 by 2 whole square, or I can write under root 41 whole square minus t square. Am I right? I substituted t as x minus 3 by 2. Now see, integration of dx divided by root of 41 whole square minus t square. So this is a square minus x square. So sin inverse of t by root 41 plus c, or sin inverse of t is x minus 3 by 2 by root 41 plus c. So hope you understood this, how to simplify, and very careful, so should not confuse, do again and again, be master in this part. This will be same as like following the form and standard integration formulas. So you should be master in simplification. So rest of the things will be very easy. You have to remember the formulas and you have to remember the steps, and it will keep repeat. Okay, so there is no doubt, I guess. So we'll move to the next problem. Third problem we'll see, question number 3, integration of dx by root of 2x minus x square. So very simple problem, but you should apply some logic sometime. Okay, so now I will write minus outside and start bracket. So in open bracket this is minus x square only, but inside this become what happens, minus 2x, minus minus plus. Am I right? Because I started bracket. Now to make it perfect square, x square minus 2x I can write as 2 into x into 1. So my b is 1, so plus 1 I am adding. Okay, so that this first part will be x minus 1 whole square. Am I right? But when I add plus 1, when you open bracket, this is minus 1. Am I right? So minus 1 plus 1. Now it will be 0. Final, this equation become only the previous one. Okay, so what I can do is, so now I'll write 1 here the beginning, because positive, minus this part I can write x minus 1 whole square, or 1 square minus x minus 1 whole square. So I'll use this, my integration become x minus root of 1 square minus x minus 1 whole square, a square minus x square. So 1 minus x square, sin inverse. So sin inverse of, substitute t equal to x minus 1, or this my equation become integration of dt by root of 1 minus t square. This is equal to sin inverse of t. What is t? Sin inverse of x minus 1 plus c. So very important is this simplification. Write it in the standard format and apply the formula and simplify, get the answer done. So last problem we'll see. Hope you understood every step and the problems, there is no doubt. Last problem we'll see, question number 4, integration of dx divided by under root x minus 1 minus 2x. So x into 1 minus 2x, you can write as x minus 2x square. So now take 2 out, that means integration of dx divided by root of x minus 2x square. Now take 2 out, I mean to say 1 by root 2 dx divided by under root x by 2 minus x square. Now I'll consider only x by 2 minus x square. I'll try to simplify this part. Okay, what I can do, I'll take minus sign outside, so it will be x square, and open the bracket, this is minus x square only, and this part will be x by 2, x square minus 2 into x into b should be 1 by 4, 2 2s are 2, 2 1s are 2 2s are, so it is x by 2, am I right? So I'll utilize b as 1 by 4, so plus 1 by 4 whole square, b square. So but here nothing is there, constant, so I added 1 by 4 extra, subtract 1 by 4 square, so it will be compensating now. So, but first part I can write as x minus 1 by 4 whole square minus, now see when you open the bracket, this is a square bracket I am putting, okay, this is square bracket. So when I open the bracket, this what happens, this become, actually what I supposed to do here, when you open it, this will become minus and this become plus, am I right? So plus 1 by 4 whole square, so this I can write as 1 by 4 square minus x minus 1 by 4 whole square. Whose this result, 1 by root 2 integration of dx by root of 1 by 4 whole square minus t square. Substitute this as t, 1 by 4 whole square minus t square. A square minus t square, that is 1 by root 2 into sine inverse of t by 1 by 4, that is equal to 1 by root 2 into sine inverse of t is what, x minus 4 into x minus 1 by 4 plus, you can simplify further and you can, or you can keep as it is. So hope you are getting how to simplify or manipulate the given equation as per the format. So this is most important things in this kind of problems. So if you are good at manipulation and writing in the square format, then you are able to do all variety of problems in these sessions. Hope you are understood this problem without confusion. Keep practice, keep recall formulas, keep remember, keep practice. I am sure you will get a pitch of integration. See you in the next class with a different format. Till that, bye. Take care. Thank you. Thank you.